sit with our right leg, soles of our right leg in our inner thigh of our left leg. And bending down all the way, catching hold of your legs. You're going to place your forehead on your knee. Come back up. You're going to do it with the other leg. So place your left leg, soles of your left feet in your right inner thigh. Raise your hands up and coming all the way forward. Catch hold of your right feet. And come down all the way with your forehead touching your knee. To come back up, look at your feet, raise your hands up and release.
So let's begin by comfortably lying down on a back, just like this, and bend your knees, and slowly you're going to lift both your legs up. So take your time, be relaxed, stay calm, and as you inhale, bend your knees and slowly bring your legs all the way up. So from here, inhale, lift both your legs up and roll your elbows inwards. So your shoulders are rolled back and your elbows are inside. And now bring your hips straight. And your legs are straight. Gaze at your toes. And now in Viparita Karni, if you observe, there is a gap between my chest and my chin. So hold here for a couple of deep breaths. The more you hold, it is going to strengthen your shoulders. Your shoulder blades are going to be strong and it creates a lot of strength in your upper body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to release. Slowly bend your knees and slowly release the posture, just rolling yourself safely down and relax your legs.